when work is delayed, bill of entries are delayed, remarks are put on files for which there are clear-cut procedures which need not be put in an organization like customs. If the atmosphere is not positive, then some effect comes on everybody, whether it is pharma or whether it is a trader or whether it is, everybody is affected. Negativity spreads very fast, my friend. We are positive, we want positive things to happen. We are under Narendra Modi ji, man. We want positivity. That is what we want, no? How can they run a custom house in negative manner? GST commissioner who's got additional charge of customs. We will go and meet him. We will tell him that, sir, these are the problems which are being faced. You please sort them out. And if we get a good response, we will leave it at that. But we will still write a letter to the Chief Commissioner in Pune and we will ensure that these things are not there. Because a custom house that was functioning in a good manner 6 months ago suddenly goes downhill is not acceptable. See, the issue came up. There are complications. The issue has come up. We have discussed, we have gathered more information and more knowledge. Okay. Some of the things I am not privy to, I am not able to discuss with you, but we have gathered a lot of information. So there we will take, I will have to discuss it with my president first. We are going to tell him, no, sir, these are the problems. Henceforth, these things should not repeat. You know, that's the main thing.